Yo, yo, yo. All right, so last episode we talked about how much we love bread and how we even have it as a dessert, namely bread pudding. Now, we're gonna take it to the next level with something else that we love, fried foods. Welcome to my kitchen. Now, I know what you're thinking, like, dude, fried bread pudding? What? Yeah, I know. I'm kind of a genius. Not to toot my own horn, but beep beep. Anyways, now after making the bread pudding, which you can find here, then it's pretty easy to put together to prepare it for frying. P.S. Scott, I was on top of it this week. Now, you'll want to refrigerate the bread pudding to firm it up. And then we're gonna slice these into bars. And now we're gonna wrap these in egg roll wrappers, and we're gonna use water to seal the edges. And bingo, you're done. Now you just roll up the rest. And then you can fry these up immediately, or you can freeze them to fry them later. And just fry these in 350-degree oil until golden brown. And serve with or without toppings of your choice. Then enjoy this deliciousness on a plate. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more, and comment below if you definitely want to try this fried bread pudding and what dishes you're expecting during your Thanksgiving this year. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here. Happy Thanksgiving, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.